Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change theme on Shopify store in 2023. So the visual appearance and design of your Shopify store play a significant role in attracting customers and creating a memorable brand experience. So if you're looking to give your store a fresh look or experiment with different designs, Shopify makes it easy to change the theme. So in this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to change your theme on Shopify store in 2023. So let's dive right into it. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type shopify.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to simply go log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on Start Free Trial. Of course, the free trial will not require from you any card or something like that. But after the free trial ends, you'll have to go and pay one of their plans that you can compare from here and see a lot about it from this pricing page. For me, I'm just going to log in into my account. Of course, if you're new, you can always go to the home screen and read more information about Shopify if you have no clue about it. And as I said, for me, I'm just going to log in into my account here. So simply, or my store, which is of course related to my account, to show you how to change the theme on your Shopify store. So simply, what we should start with, of course, as you can see here, my free trial is just started and it will end in 4 July. So it's 5 days free trial, and as you can see, you'll be able even to pay just $1 per month for the first 3 months. Then you'll have to go and pay the full price of your pricing or of your plan. And of course, so simply you'll have to go navigate to the theme section, go to your online store, then by clicking on it, then click on theme to change the theme that you want to. So once you click on themes, as you can see, you'll be able to see here a lot of popular free themes. So as you can see, you have here some popular free themes. You'll be able to add them and change them wherever you want. And of course, if you click on this visit the theme store, here you'll be able to see other themes, of course, free and even some paid one. So you can go and select whatever suits you. For example, if you want to try it, you'll be able to try it. So then you'll be able to buy it if it's by money. If it's not by money, it's free. You'll be able just simply go and add it to your Shopify store without any problem. Of course, once you change anything, you'll be able to preview or to view your store from here. So once you change your theme as an example, or you can choose your themes from here, you can simply go to view store right here and you will see your theme is changed. Of course, you can go and do any other additional changes if you want, like in font, colors, and a lot of other stuff depending on your preferences and specifics that you need. So you'll have to customize the theme however you want. Then of course you'll have to go and preview it, and then publish it freely. Of course, make sure to test it and even optimize it if you want. And that's gonna basically it. Other than that, of course, you'll be able to do multiple things on Shopify. So you can, as an example, customize your store. You can, of course, explore the various customization option available on Shopify. And of course, you can, as an example, it's important or it's crucial to choose the right theme for your brand example, and make sure to customize the theme appearance and layouts and colors, of course, depending on your needs. Then, of course, you can even show the flexibility Shopify drag and drop editor, and of course, you can, as an example, extend the functionality with apps. So this apps option is very useful on Shopify. Of course, if you click on add apps, as you can see, you'll find the apps that you already have, as an example, in your Shopify store. And of course, if you didn't find the app that you want here, you can simply go and click on find more apps in the Shopify app store. Once you click on it, of course, those are like the plugins that you find on WordPress and a lot of other stuffs. So these apps are just insane. This will help you with kind of everything that you want in your Shopify store. If you didn't trust, of course, you can go and check one of, I mean, not just one, a lot of our videos in this channel. You can do a lot of other stuffs with Shopify with just the apps. I showed you how to do a lot of stuff with just the app. So simply, whatever you have in mind, as example, you want to add like some social icons on your Shopify store. So you'll have to simply go here and type social media as example. Why not? And as you can see, you'll find here social media icons and a lot of other stuff. Let's just choose an example. We want payments as an example, gets away. So as you can see, you'll find a lot of apps that can do that for you. So basically, you don't have to do a lot of stuff by yourself. You can keep it to the app to do it for yourself. You can even use a filter here that has like customized checkout or works with just Shopify posts, and of course you can choose a lot of other stuff. Other than this app, of course, you can, as example, sell in across like channels. There is the power, of course, of multi-channels, and you can Shopify, of course, you can integrate it with your social media platforms and marketplace. And of course, you can even set up and manage your sales and channels like on even like Facebook, Instagram, and Amazon. And of course, make sure to go and keep an eye on the marketing of your Shopify store. And of course, your online store will always find this here on this left panel as an example. So whatever you made on changes or whatever you did on your store, you'll be able to preview it from here. So as you can see, if you click on this eye, you'll be able to view your online store. So, as an example, this will open a new tab. Here, you'll find your store as an example, and you'll be able to see the themes, the blog posts, the pages, the navigation, preferences, and as you can see, you'll be able to customize this. And of course, normally, if you have just your free trial, they will ask you to pick a plan. So simply, you'll have to go and pick a plan from here. As you can see, you'll be able to add some themes in the theme library, or you can upload your theme as an example if you have it already like downloaded in your PC into your PC. You can connect from GitHub like some themes. You can even visit the theme store as an example. Here you'll find a lot of themes that could be interesting for you. So make sure to go and choose whatever theme as an example be good for you. Of course, some of them you'll find some free ones. That's definitely sure. As you can see, this is free. This is not free, but normally free ones you'll not find many colors, you'll not find it that interesting. So other themes normally it's gonna be paid, but a lot of them like are pretty good. So make sure to go and see all the themes example from here, or you can even see some collections from here. So here on all themes you'll be able to see all themes, and then you can choose the theme that you like to put it on your store. So as you guys said, there are some good free themes. An example, this is for surfing, this is for, I don't know, you can go and check that by your own. So of course there is some good themes that are free. As you can see, this is for taste and a lot of other stuffs. So you can see there's the pages, navigation, preferences. There's even this point of sale as example. And so let's just wait for the page itself loads. And as you can see, of course, our free trial will end in 4 July. So of course, here you'll have to go and answer some simple questions. Make sure to answer them, not to skip them, because they will help you a lot with the point of sale. And of course, here you'll find a lot of pages this will help you, including home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, and even discounts that you can put on your store. Of course, all of those you'll be able to add it on your store. So that's gonna be basically it. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. Changing the theme on your Shopify store is an exciting opportunity to refresh its appearance and improve the overall user experience. Of course, by following these steps, you can easily change the theme on your Shopify store in 2023. Remember to choose a theme that aligns with your brand, customize it and reflect your store personality, and of course, test its functionality before making it live. So enjoy exploring different themes and transforming it the look of your Shopify store to create a compelling online shopping experience for your customers. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.